In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make calendar view the default in Asana. If you prefer seeing tasks on a timeline of dates rather than a list or board, setting calendar as the default view can save you clicks and keep your team aligned. Here's how to do it smoothly and what to look for along the way. Start by opening the specific Asana project or the team calendar you want to adjust. You can get to a project from your sidebar or search, and you can access a team calendar by navigating to the team and choosing its calendar. The key is to make sure you're in the exact space where you want calendar view to load automatically in the future. Once you're in that project or team area, switch to calendar view. You'll typically see view options like list, board, timeline, and calendar near the top. Click calendar so the tasks display by date. Give it a second to load, especially if your project has a lot of tasks. You want to confirm you're seeing the correct date range and task grouping before you lock this in. Next, look for the three-dot menu located beside the calendar tab or right next to the view name at the top of the page. This menu holds layout and view options that control how Asana remembers what you're looking at. From that menu, choose Set as Default if you see the option. If it appears, that tells Asana to prioritize calendar for this project or team when it opens. If you don't see it, don't worry. In some workspaces, the option may be hidden if calendar is already the default, or your permission level or plan type may change what's available. The important part is that you've placed the project in calendar mode before saving. Now, save the view settings. Look for the Save option in the toolbar or menu, often labeled Save View or Save Layout as default. This step preserves your current layout, calendar selected, filters applied, and grouping choices, so they stick in the future. Think of it as telling Asana, remember exactly what I'm seeing right now. Finally, reopen the project to confirm everything worked. The easiest way is to navigate away to another project or your home screen, then come back. When the project or team loads, it should open directly to calendar view. If it does, you're all set. That's it. You've set calendar as the default, saved the layout, and verified it. Enjoy starting every session in the view that keeps your schedule clear and your planning effortless.